Chel, are you ready to go to Davao? Hi! Wow, helpful na si Kuya.
Ayaw mo to. Ayun yung kitchen, oh.
Woo! Traveling without Ayaya. Kaya natin to, guys. Lunch first. Sa favorite namin, 7-Eleven. Go! Ay, never fails talaga. Oh, lahat hinihigaan. Smile. Safe ba dyan?
Nahulog ka na dyan, bahala ka.
Chel, come here. Smile.
Hindi tayo sasakay.
Hi!
Ano tayo? Sasabit lang tayo.
And as a Bibo mother. Hi! The princess. Hi, my baby. You always love Mama. You will save Mama always.
Luluto, ay malak pa yun na ikaw namin, luluto ko sa'yo. Yung, ikaw sabi mo, mo football ako luluto.
Ay, love-love
mo si
Mami.
O, tingnan yung football ko.
Okay na din.
O, tingnan.
Mainit ha, mainit. We're trying this one.
Ilang po yung pinili assistant?
Okay, thank you. Woo, photo booth. Hi. Favorite. Cutie. Matcha. And our photos.
Okay, taste test.
Taste test. Sarap. Matcha me. Shoot! Chal, chal! Walking around Lola's province with the Colette. Goodie. Ano meron? It's our last day here in Davao. It is to Colette. Machi Machi with Papa.
strawberry. May salted caramel. What's the flavor of your ano, ice gelato?
Thank you.
Bye, Davao. Bye, Lolo. Love you, Daddy. Bye-bye. Chel. Bye. Si Kimberly. Let's go. Shall I give?
Subscribe.
Shall I give Cody bubblegum or not?
Last time. Yes! Yes!
Pagkama ko na lang.
Kamalo pasulubog. Challenge na daw.
Ano?
This is personal for us.
What's that?
Please, Lolo, and bring it to me.
Okay. Bye, Davao. Say bye, Davao, anak.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye.
constitutes theft.